HyperBDR is a cloud-native disaster recovery tool that provides an automated and rapid cloud-based DR solution. Unlike traditional DR that requires a one-to-one preparation of disaster recovery hosts, HyperBDR stores data in object storage, only pulling it up as hosts during DR and drills, significantly saving costs for cloud disaster recovery. The overview page displays the production platform, storage pool, target platform, and the status of DR tasks. On the right, we can see a display of the carbon footprint, where using HyperBDR reduces carbon emissions by 80% compared to traditional DR. Today, we demonstrate a DR scenario from VMware to Huawei Cloud. We will back up a Linux host from VMware platform to object storage, and then pull up the business system on the Huawei Cloud automatically. First, we configure DR on the production site. In the VMware scenario, we support agentless disaster recovery, eliminating the need to install agents on each host, with no intrusion to the source production, greatly enhancing DR efficiency. Let's add VMware to the console, enter the source authentication address, username, and password. After submission, we can quickly see that a connection with VMware has been established in the console. Clicking it reveals all the hosts on the VMware platform. For the second step, we configure the storage needed for DR. Click on Storage, Object Storage in the sidebar, then click Add. We choose a Huawei Cloud AZ, enter the AK or SK, and click Next. We create an object storage bucket and wait for the system to indicate success. Refreshing Huawei Cloud Platform, we can see the newly created object storage bucket listed. Next, we configure the object storage gateway. After adding and selecting the Huawei Cloud Platform, entering AK or SK, and clicking Next, we default to auto-uploading Linux and Windows recovery images and selecting public IP mode. The system will automatically adapt drivers, and upon completion, it notifies us that the object storage synchronization gateway is successfully created. In the taskbar, we can see the system automatically uploading Linux and Windows, and logging into Huawei Cloud Platform shows the images being uploaded, which we wait to complete. For the third step, we start the host DR process. First, we select a host named WordPress Dem 739 on the VMware platform and click Next. We enter the DR configuration, choose the previously configured object storage, confirm the DR platform information, and click Next. We configure the flavor of the DR host, choosing the same configuration as the source site S6 large. 2, and the OS type as Auto Match. After choosing the target volume type and completing network configuration, we select a pre-configured VPC on the cloud platform, specify a public IP, and choose a security group. Next, we enter DR policy configuration, creating a new policy. In the Data Synchronization Strategy section, we choose to sync every 5 minutes. In the Speed Limit Strategy section, we can set a periodic rule to limit synchronization speed. This minimizes the impact on the production site. We default to saving 128 snapshots and submit to complete the policy configuration. Returning to the DR configuration page, we refresh and select the newly created policy and submit. The system indicates that the policy is successfully configured. We select the WordPress Dem 739 host and click Sync, then Confirm. In the status column, we can see the data sync status and wait for its completion. Now, we initiate a drill for this host, which has completed synchronization on Huawei Cloud. Before the drill, we first log in to the source host's IP to check that there is an article in the WordPress program currently. We select the host WordPress Dem 739, click on Drill, choose the most recent snapshot, and submit. The new DR host is automatically created. Then, when we access the new host's IP, we can see the already synchronized article. At the same time, we open the Huawei Cloud Console and refresh it to see that this host has successfully started. The entire process of the DR drill has been demonstrated. As you can see, the software is designed to be simple and operates smoothly. It only requires configuration on the HyperBDR platform, with the process being fully automated, making it easy to master. HyperBDR, creating new scenarios for cloud disaster recovery.